Dirty side down. All right. Okay, that's the cable. That's the cover. That's the hose clamp. So anytime you take off your fuel pump, you need to take this guy off. And this is so that hose can clamp onto the top and it doesn't let all the fuel out. Fuel pump. It gives you all new ones. There.
Oh, you got it in?
Yeah. Gippy.
I mean, how do you know when it's like stuck?
Because it'll be flush. And it's not quite flush. Gonna let it breathe for a bit. Okay, that's in. That's flush. After you're done giving the fuel pump CPR, it should be flush. So seal goes in first. It's supposed to just kind of fit on the inside and it should rest on the top. And then you have to push the spring-loaded fuel pump in. Now we do the little bits. Slide you on top of there. There's little notches that'll rest in. The little ridges up and out. And this is what we're gonna use to tighten this guy on. And that should just kind of rest on top of that little ring that they gave you. Grab this guy, throw him inside, slide all the way on until you hear it click. You can pull on it and it shouldn't go anywhere. Now we grab the fun stuff, a flathead and a hammer. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hammer this closed. When you plug your cable in, well, there's this cover. You're gonna slide this guy through there, push down that little seal here. There's two little notches. The arrow has to hit that notch. That dot needs to hit that dot. So arrow, arrow, dot, dot. Go down here, plug you in. You should sit steady. And this guy should slide right into place if all of the notches line up. And then we grab our screwdriver and you're going to tighten, which is righty tighty and lefty is bing, 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 loosey. Give it to me. Yeah. Rachel, where is she? Give it. Thank you. All right, this bolt is all feel, but I got it. It's gonna be a blind one for us today. And that, folks, is okay, so I can kind of see it. And just like that. The car is finito. And perfectly placed together. Voila.
Try to turn it on.
We can. We'll see what the battery's condition's at. It's holding pressure, so it's not gonna be the fuel pump. Let's go over here, plug you back in. Bullshit. I brought the big boy. Down to the left, that is your hood release. It's on the left side. Oh my god, brand new battery. Oh my god.
Is this less power than your other one?
I have no clue. Let's look at the cold crank. Cold crank amps, 500. Positive first, negative second. There's a drone. Whoa!
Hello there.
It looks to be dead. I'm gonna grab a voltmeter real quick, double check. Yeah, battery's dead. Negative first. I just made it back from O'Reilly's. Old battery was way too small. It needed more cranking amps. Car takes 550, this one is 585. This has enough power, and we can get rid of these. Positive. I'm getting 12 volts. 12.67, healthy battery. It's good, it's at level.
Oh.
And it's fairly clean oil.
Most of the damage already done to this vehicle.
Oh, please start. Key in. Dash is lighting up.
Oh, it's trying. Oh.
New fuel pump, you gotta prime the system.
Yeah.
I got my car back. Fuck yes.
Wait, can you check? Are you able to do just a rundown to make sure it's okay? Nothing could happen?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh, healthy shifts. Okay, needs a couple wheel bearings, but she drives. I don't think this car started for them in so long. We got it up and running, boys. Woo-hoo-hoo! Man, it feels good to get a car started. Wipers work, sprayer bottle works. Actually, that's really nice. Fuel pump is happy, it's reading, the car's not sputtering, nothing like that while the tank's at half a tank or lower. We'll do one last test, make sure she cranks over first time. Perfect. She runs, she's good. Shifts healthy.
You did it. I mean, that's a mechanic for you. That literally.
It's all because they gave you the wrong battery. Ah, yes. And that is a good send-off of today's video. That is how you do a battery replacement, help out a friend. Thanks for joining.